Hello, everyone, and welcome. We are done with programming in Carol, and we are moving on to JavaScript in the actual console. So, this is the first part of JavaScript and graphics, and this is kind of the week overview. Now, I wanted to visit with you guys a little bit before I get into the week overview about expectations for old modules. So, if for whatever reason you have not finished assignments in other modules, I strongly suggest that you get those done very, very soon. If I'm going to go to the modules thing here for just a second. So each one of these is part of your final grade. So hardware, software, binary, those all went together into a unit that was worth about 20% of your grade. So all of those assignments, the quiz, and all of these pieces, unless you only joined the class at the end of September 4th, these are all required assignments. So if any of those are missing, that is a big chunk of your grade. Next up, with the intro to programming, all three of these weeks is another 20% of your grade. So if you were working on, let's say, Code HS 1.6 through 110, and you were stuck and you could not figure out 1.9 and you just left it yellow, the problem is these all go in as incomplete. A big part of working on programs is being able to decompose and break them apart and find where your mistakes are. So if you're looking at your grades and you're seeing, hey, I got 1.6, 1.7, 1.8 done, why are they all marked incomplete? That is because all of these go together and you have to finish 9 and 10 before you get those completion codes. So if that's been bothering you, please let me know. I can go in and get those taken care of as soon as you finish your assignments. Now, if you do not finish any of your assignments between these 3 weeks, again, that's 20% of your grade. Now, this week or last week was action packed. You had 5 code HS, you had your quiz, and you had your challenges. So if you were not able to get everything done in this week, I completely understand. That was a lot, and I am taking some feedback. So this week is a little bit shorter. We only have 4 programming challenges and 1 discussion board. So I'm going to go ahead and extend these programs for you into this week, but you're still going to need to get everything done by October 2nd. So let's go ahead and dive in to this week overview. So you're going to obviously do your big data dilemma digital citizenship discussion board. So all of the directions are actually in that module. We'll visit that in a second. There are 4 sections on Code HS. You'll notice all of these videos right here. I have included help videos for each section. This was requested by a classmate, and I am more than happy to do them. They won't go through every program. They won't give you the directions beginning to end, but they will get you started. I clarify directions and I'll get you started. Now, if you need more, please email me. If you're absolutely stuck on a program, please reach out and I'm happy to help. So we have Hello World. That's just an intro to the JavaScript console. We have intro to variables. So there's another video there. There's only one exercise in this one. User input. This is actually really interesting where people are starting to type or click on things and actually put information into your programs. So there's only one exercise there. And then this one, 3.4, is basic math in JavaScript. Now, I actually do walk you through all the way through the t-shirt shop, and then I get you guys started on the running speed exercises. So please view those videos if you're getting stuck on these programs, and I can give you guys that extra assistance. So here are the actual links to those programs. And then right here is the big data dilemma. And the question is, what are the benefits and drawbacks of online tracking? So there's a quick Google Slides presentation. It's not very long. There is a video for you to watch and then an article for you to read. Now, to get full points on the discussion board, you have to answer each one of these questions in your initial post, and you have to reply to at least two classmates by October 2nd. If you are not getting those responses in, there's going to be an issue with that. So make sure that those get taken care of. If you have any questions, reach out to me sooner rather than later. I do work over the weekends, but if you're emailing me at 5 o'clock on a Sunday saying I couldn't get any of my programs done, that's a little late. So if you are at school and you're working on these programs, some of you have experienced that I do respond to your questions quite quickly when I'm at school. So reach out to me as quickly as you can. I hope you find this helpful. This is really, really fun. And if you need help on a program, tell me as soon as you can. Thanks, guys.